number bonds to 10. Join Pip and Miss Clover to discover all the special pairs of numbers that add up to 10.
Miss Clover, what are number bonds? I keep hearing about them, but I'm not sure what they are.
Great question, Pip. Number bonds are pairs of numbers that go together to make another number. Today we're going to find all the pairs that make 10. A 10 frame has 10 spaces. When we fill all 10 spaces, we can see the number 10. Let's use red and blue counters to find all the ways to make 10. Let's start. If we put 10 red counters in the frame and 0 blue ones, we get 10 plus 0 equals 10. That's our first number bond.
Now let's try 9 red and 1 blue. 9 plus 1 equals 10. I can see 9 red counters and 1 blue one.
8 red counters and 2 blue counters. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Can you see the pattern? As one number gets smaller, the other gets bigger. 7 and 3. 7 red counters and 3 blue counters make 10 altogether. 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Ooh, 6 and 4. 6 red and 4 blue. 6 plus 4 equals 10. We're getting closer to the middle.
5 and 5. This one is special. Both numbers are the same. 5 red and 5 blue make 10. This is called a double. Now 4 red and 6 blue. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Did you notice? This is the same as 6 plus 4, just the other way round.
3 and 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. And we already know 7 plus 3 equals 10 too. The order doesn't matter.
2 red and 8 blue. 2 plus 8 equals 10. We're nearly at the end now.
1 red and 9 blue. 1 plus 9 equals 10. Just one more to go.
And finally, 0 red and 10 blue. 0 plus 10 equals 10. We found all 11 number bonds to 10. Let's see all the number bonds together. 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, 7 and 3, 6 and 4, and 5 and 5. That's all of them. Remember this song? 10 and 0, 9 and 1, 8 and 2, having fun. 7 and 3, 6 and 4, 5 and 5, there are no more. Quick quiz time. If I have 7 sweets and I need 10 altogether, how many more do I need? That's right, 3, because 7 plus 3 equals 10.
Number bonds are everywhere. If you have 6 coins and need 10, you need 4 more. If you score 8 in a game and the maximum is 10, you miss 2. Maths is so useful.
Brilliant work. Number bonds to 10 are pairs of numbers that add up to 10. Knowing them by heart helps you with adding, subtracting, and so much more. Keep practicing. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel to make learning easy and fun for kids. See you next time on Learnillion.